What's happening, my film nerds? David the Film Junkie here. All right, we got Zack Snyder talking about Doomsday, and then, of course, talking about Justice League and how they're going to explore his origin in the Justice League. That's right. See, a lot of people are freaking out, but, you know, he's here to tell you that, yeah, we're going to introduce it right here, but it's not going to just be right here. First link down below if you want to go check this out. There's also, like, a new TV spot, kind of. Not really that new. And there's not really new footage either. It's just, it's something though. So first thing down below, if you want to go just read the quotes and check all that out. But this is what he had to say. He said, well, you have Doomsday, right? He doesn't just crawl out of the ground. He has his own mythology, right? So that has to be explored. To us, it really made sense to give Doomsday to the audience now. Shut up, people. I know there's some people out there going, I really wanted to make the audience a promise that, though I'm super excited and happy and fulfilled by the conflict of Batman and Superman, there's also a bigger world to start to think about. Only thing that worries me about that is, like, Avengers Age of Ultron kind of, like, was trying to set up too much of the roadmap, you know? And that's what I kind of worry about with this movie, but hopefully it's not that bad. And then he goes on to talk about the roadmap. He says the roadmap, the DCEU roadmap, is constantly evolving, but we're starting to get a handle on where we're going with the world. That's fun because it allows us now to be driving toward a goal that we don't have to make up as much. The rules can be the rules, and the movie can exist in a closed universe. It also allows us to tie things together. If there's a movie over there doing this, and we're over here doing this, now we're all on the same page. It allows for a coherent universe, which is important. I think that makes the experience a little more satisfying because we know where we're going, so the misdirects can be stronger and the reveals can be bigger. I like it. In Zack we trust, and I trust Mr. Zack Snyder. So yeah, first thing down below if you want to read all that again, and then of course see that TV spot. Let me know your thoughts about this down below in the balls area. Talk to you later. And thank you for watching, you beautiful people. You go ahead and hit that like, thumbs up button if you'd be so kind. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe to my other channel too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and visit filmjunkie.com for all my videos.